puppet, it's a tiger. We're done with this.
Okay.
And
You have to glue anything. This glue is very strong. This. Thank you, Mommy. Another year. Gently, gently. There. It's in the mouth. And the eyes. Okay. Mommy, this is what you have in. You have a lot of juice. Look, guys, we have a tiger.
what are you doing, Ella?
This is a crocodile. This. No. Wow. This place is over. Hooray! And the elephant.
Yeah. We're done with
The alligator. There's all kinds of animals.
Can you name them?
This is a tiger, a rabbit, elephant, alligator. What is missing?
What is next?
A giraffe. Don't touch the crocodile, okay?
Okay.
Separate eyes.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the eyes on.
Okay.
Put the eyes over there. Just sticky. What does that mean? Look like a Jurassic eye.
Jurassic eye?
Just kidding. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Just kidding.
While doing that one.
This is the giraffe. Oh, this is the giraffe. Oh, this is the giraffe. Oh, what giraffe is it? That giraffe is yellow. That giraffe is orange. You can tell it. You can tell it too. And I'm not done yet. We have some spots. Now let's make a lion. Here's this. We need this. This is hard. And this is not good. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 animals. And what color are they?
Can you tell us?
This is yellow, orange, yellow, blue, green, and white.
And can you name your animals?
Giraffe, tiger, lion, elephant, and crocodile. Rabbit!
Rabbit.
That's all for today. Bye!